They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Too far? Fine. This is me, Harley Quinn. When I was a kid, my dad traded me for a six-pack of beer. But however many times he tried to ditch me, I kept coming back. Eventually, he found me a new home. The Good Sisters of St. Bernadette's taught me a lot. But I was never an establishment kind of gal. All things considered, I did good. I even went to college, got my PhD. Had my heart broken once or twice. Finding love is not easy. So I threw myself into my work. Became a psychiatrist. That's when I met him, Mr. J, my Joker. Oh, I fell hard. Like, out of a plane without a parachute right in your dumb fucking face kind of hard. I lost all sense of who I was. I only had eyes for pudding. We all know the saying, behind every successful man, there's a badass broad. Well, that was me. I was the brains behind some of Mr. J's greatest stunts. Not that he let anyone know it. I guess all good things have to come to an end. So, we broke up. I handled it real mature, but Mr. J was super broke up about it. I got an amazing new place that was all mine. It gave me the space to really reflect on the mistakes of my past. I had to find a new identity. A new me. It wasn't easy, but after a while, I even opened myself up to the possibility of new love. Here's the thing about new love.
I take payment in kind.
You have to feed it.